All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I am sure you're always looking for a extra set of earbuds. Well, I gotta tell you what, these A90 ProTune wireless earbuds are probably going to be the way to go. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for that proper sound, getting that max sound, you're having a ton of playing time as well, you're going to check these guys out. They have a charging case. You have all the details on the front, which I love, just because it is open for you to see what you have going on. So let's get these on and see what we're working with. On the inside, we got the case themselves. You have accessories right here, and they give you the charge cord for it. It is USB to USB-C. Check that out. And then you do have extra earbuds to fix your ears. So if you got little baby ears, like some people, that's okay. Or big ears and you need bigger ones, you can work it out. Let's get those put back in here. Now, next thing is a little manual on the inside, but we're going to get to the goods and see what these bad boys look like. So here you have it. Case all in one. You got a little screen on the front. Definitely digging that aspect. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see if she turns on. And then what we're going to do is also get these paired to the phone. Yep, right there, coming charged at 88%. Not sure if you can see that. And then you can also see it going up and down, which is going to be for each of the earbuds. So the left and right, it's going to show that. And it's got going down because it's charging them. But let's go ahead and get this Bluetooth connected, because that is super important. There's no extra buttons on here. So as we're figuring it out together, no extra buttons. It does show left or right. Let's go ahead and see that. These look like AirPods, which is kind of cool. Not that they are, but they got remnants of it. And you know, if those are comfortable to you, these are going to be comfortable as well. So let's go ahead and open up our settings, drop into Bluetooth, and see what pops up here. So A90 Pro, look how easy that was. Super simple pop-up right there. We got the A90 Pro popped up. And then we open it up right here. A90 Pro is connected. Let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Okay, just like that. We got them on. I can hear everything in here, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and throw on some tunes. Now, I know you can't hear them, but I can. And I tell you what, they look good and they feel good. So that is all the way. That's a little bit down. And then there you have it. So now I'm listening to tunes, hi-fi, sports, running. I tell you what, a really good fit. Like, has a solid fit in the ear. Like, I'm not downplaying that. Like, I think it has a very solid fit. It definitely has a different look than like your standard AirPods aspect. So that's nice. I like that aspect. It's a little more oval shape than your standard like circular shape to the ear. But that was how easy it was to pair and get these bad boys up and running. So let's go. We're here. Let's see if we're already paired up. I can hear it say pairing just like that. Already connected just like that and ready to go. Guys, those are super quick. So if you're looking for a quick pair of AirPod style blue wireless headphones. Sorry, I lost my words here. Like stylus, and you like that style, but you're wanting a proper fit, something that's going to sound solid and have this detail, because nothing pains me more than not to be able to see the information on the outside of this. So you definitely got to check these guys out.